Nearly 30 million Americans ages 12 and older are impacted by hearing loss. Hearing aids are often used to help treat some hearing loss, and soon they will be available online and in retail stores. But as our News 8 Now's Dua Israr explains, buying hearing aids without the help of a physician can cause more harm than good.
Hearing loss comes in all ranges from mild to profound. But expert Angela Mankey is warning people over-the-counter hearing aids should be used for those mild cases only.
The sounds of a card game come through this little device connected to Kathleen Volden's ear. Volden has been wearing hearing aids for the past 3 years.
Well, I knew for a long time I needed them. But you know, those are the kinds of things you kind of put off.
Hearing aids help amplify sound for a person struggling with hearing loss.
Basis for helping a hearing aid work appropriately is to have a good audiogram or mapping, basically, of your hearing loss.
They can cost anywhere from $1,000 up to $8,000.
They're quite expensive, but for me it was worth that expense, not to have to worry about, okay, what if something goes wrong with these? What am I going to do?
Under the FDA's new approval, people over the age of 18 with mild to moderate hearing loss can buy hearing aids online and at their local store.
Be that first entry level or entry into the hearing aid world.
The FDA hopes by removing a prescription, the cost of hearing aids will decrease, but audiologist Angela Mankey disagrees.
Patients will hear the stories of $6,000, $7,000, $8,000 hearing aids, and most hearing aids don't need to be that costly.
Mankey says hearing aids require counseling and adjustment from an expert, things that may not be available over the counter.
Don't have that additional oversight of a professional to help them in that process.
Mankey is also concerned patients could ignore bigger issues. She says hearing loss can be a symptom of a larger health issue.
Patients may delay medical care thinking that, oh, it's just hearing loss.
As for Volden,
It really is kind of a life-changing event.
the sound of victory has never been sweeter.
Over-the-counter hearing aids should never be used by children.
All right, thanks a lot, Dua. Experts say if you feel any discomfort with your hearing aids, be sure to talk to a healthcare provider.